Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily create your pin on Pinterest. So for doing this you just need to create your account on Pinterest and also sign in to this account. So I also already have it, so I just click here on this and click here and you will see create pin. Click on create pin. So here you just need to drag your image, for example this, and tell everyone what your pin is about. So my pin is about woman and coffee. Add your title. Title I will name like a description. So just Ctrl A and Ctrl V. So I don't copy it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And now you also can select it to your board or just add it to another board already existed on Pinterest and click save. I will add it to my board like. So now you just need to wait some time after it will be uploaded your photo to this pin, and you will see it on Pinterest. So just wait some time. It might take some time because image have big definition, and it also takes time to upload it. And after you will wait some time, and after it will upload it, you will see your image like a pin. It will create pin of your image to Pinterest, to your board you choose here. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.